No one that has ever never fed you, brought you up, or done anything for you can destroy you. I'm mad at myself. I bought a carrier bag when I have thousands, I actually mean thousands of carrier bags. Welcome to the channel. Long time not see. Yeah, today I been to Morrison's. I want to share with you how much £30 got me. It's like £27 worth of shopping. I'll share with you and some other things as well. I've missed you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You have to, get that notification button pressed. Do right now. I'll wait. Okay, thank you so much. A normal day in the life, basically. If you enjoy these type of videos, like I said, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I've got plenty to do. My cousin is coming from the Netherlands, and the house is a tip. I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning, a lot of sorting out. It's more my stock that I used to have in my eBay store. I used to have that in storage. Now I brought here because the business has gone. However, we're gonna keep pressing, okay? So let's get to the kitchen and I'll share with you what I got with £28 worth of groceries in the UK. Prices are going up, guys. Money's not going a long way anymore. Things are changing, If you only have one job, you need to start looking for a different type of different sort of streams of income, basically. Okay, let's get to this. I'm not even going to show the floor because it's just like a disgrace. Ooh, I need to jump. Put this light on. Got two layers of clothing because it's cold and I don't want to put the heating on. Can you imagine? I don't want to put the heating on. It's taking all my monies, literally no money left. It's electric, like my radiator is, what do you call it? That old one called something Economic 7. When I did the house swap, the woman lied to me. She said to me it was the best in the world. It was from back in the days, Leah, that I knew. I didn't even do any research. I wanted to move out to the place that I was living because of a situation that someone brought to my life. I need to run away from that address because I couldn't deal with the humiliation in a daily basis. So I did a house swap, and obviously I was very honest with the woman that was living in this apartment. I swapped from a beautiful area in Harborne to the city, to town. However, most countries, town areas, they classified as ghetto. So, here's what I'm at the moment. And we need to figure out a way to get out of this place because... Anyways, bear with me. I'm going to sort out some clothing and then I'll share with you what I got for Morrison. Let's crack on. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Get that game, bang, 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 subscribe. And yes, that's what's up. Loves, it's important to like the channel so YouTube can recommend to more people that enjoy this type of everyday lifestyle video. Very realistic, guys. I myself enjoy these type of videos. I like to see genuine people, and that's exactly what you're gonna get in my channel. I'm very honest, I'm raw, I'm kind, I'm loving, and all the above, guys. I hope you can, identify yourself with my channel and give us a subscription, because it's very important for the growth of the channel. The more people that stick by, the better quality videos I'll be able to provide for you guys. I love all of you, my subscribers. Thank you so much for relating to me, and the love is, the same, is reciprocal. Thank you so much. Myself, I bought a carrier bag when I have thousands, actually mean thousands of carrier bags. It was £1.50. It's those durable, reusable ones, but for £1.50, when you already have plenty, is a lot of money. I start understanding the value of money since the lack of when I was making tons of money and killing it in my career. What is £10? What is £100? Nothing, right? But now, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna share with you all that I got. I tried to do my brows and just put a little liner, a little powder, and that's how we're rocking today. Just neat look. Yeah, guys, let's crack on. Let's share with you exactly what I've got from Morrison's. Why is it blurry? We have a barbecue chicken. Like I said, my cousin is coming from Dutchland. Got apples. I've got some muffins, berry one. I don't know exactly, but I know how much everything costs. But liver, ox liver, because I don't like any other type of liver. It has to be ox liver. If it's something else, I won't eat it. This is the only liver, and maybe chicken liver I like, but anything else is a no-no. I also picked this up, special offer, steak. Is reduced to $274. Initial price, I think it was. I can't even see, guys. I need glasses, but I think it was £7 or something like that. Crazy. It's reduced anyway, so looks alright. Doesn't, it's not expired yet. I got some lettuce as well, salad. I just feel like having something fresh today. Yeah, lemons. So I'm craving like salad with lemons and all of that. Let's go bell peppers. Yeah. Picked some banana. I haven't had banana for over a month now. Got these fish cakes. My favorite French style dressing, vinaigrette, cucumber. Never tried this cheese. Bought this cheese, guys. I think it was $2.75. Oh, I dropped the bag on the floor. Okay, I hope the yogurt hasn't broken. So I've got the Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt is with the honey. I kind of like it. I want my cousin to try it. Try it out, see if she likes it. I got ham, so she can have her breakfast, whatnot, in the morning. And I got her like a white flannel, She has got towels and everything. I've got towels for her. I visit my towels. I don't want her to travel. I think she has got 20 kgs or something like that. And being a woman, it's not enough. So I told her not to bring all the, toiletries and stuff like that, because we have plenty over here. So I'm just going to do a quick overview. Bear with me, organize and come back. bear in mind this is reduced, normally be like £7. And then we have got these, I think this is around £1.50, and ox liver is dead cheap as well. Are you the same? Some days you just feel like having fish, very fresh, zest, fruity like, you know, that quiche. Is that quiche? What's that word? Is it quiche? You know, that's just freshness. I just felt like today I had to have salad. And after that, felt amazing. Definitely. Didn't want any sauces or anything like that. You know, like heavy sauce, but I like the vinaigrette, and this is a salad, dressing, the dresser. Yes, I wish I could eat a dresser. Yeah, so I'm adding this salad cream as well. It's quite tasty. Again, very lemony, like lemon type. Very nice. You have to be careful with that because you can carry some calories with that as well. But yeah, here's my fish cake. And guys, it was very delicious. Just check it out. It looks very refreshing, nice. Just a nice easy dinner to have. I mean, look at that big bowl of a salad. Healthy. Start getting back to I stopped eating like Gary. I stopped eating all these extreme amount of calories or carbohydrates. And very soon I'll be shrinking back to my size 0. So adding a bit of black pepper as well as salt. Yeah, guys, have a look. So lovelies, pretty people. Here's my dinner. I mean, very healthy. It's the fish cake that I've shown you guys. I seasoned with everything that you just saw me putting in here, in the salad, and some lemon because I just feel I want something zest but fresh. So I did put a little bit of avocado oil as well, but didn't show on the camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna have this for dinner. I left the other portion for later, because salad is not very filling, but it looks like because nowadays I can't, my appetite has gone. But yeah, ooh, who's that? Yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Nusha Styles as well. Yes, guys, so I'm having this for dinner, so I thought to come back and just share with you how you can, make yourself a nice meal for very cheap, like, just a pack of salad and some lettuce that are chopped off as well. And you have a nice healthy meal for you to share with your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's all I've got for you today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please, guys, because it helps a ton. It's 2024. My friends, Happy New Year to you guys. I know I've been a stranger, but we're here. We are pursuing and persisting in our dreams. Nothing can bring us down, okay? Nothing. No one that has never fed you, brought you up, or done anything for you can destroy you, okay? So guys, We're here to stay. And like I said, tell a friend, tell your mommy, tell your cousins to come and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very shortly. Kisses.